Today I am going to share Eid special Mutton Rezala recipe. If you want, you can use beef and chicken in the same recipe to cook Rezala. It's so delicious and flavorful. To bring the creamy texture in the Rezala, I will be using a paste which has raisin, fried onion, nuts and yogurt. Make a smooth paste. Here I have 2 kilograms mutton, meat bone and fat. Everything is mixed. Oil 1 cup. Here is green cardamom, black cardamom, cloves, black pepper, cinnamon sticks, star anise and bay leaf. Fry few seconds. Add chopped onion 1 cup. Green chili, 6/7 pieces. Fry until light brown. Add mutton. Fry until color change. Salt to taste. Ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon each. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri chili powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Shahi garam masala 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Stir and fry 5 minutes on medium-high heat. Add enough hot water. Cover and cook until meat tender. Stir after some times. Add some red chili, nutmeg and mace powder 1 teaspoon. Add yogurt, raisin nuts and fried onion, paste we made before. Mix well. Kura water 1 teaspoon. Rose water 1 teaspoon. Clarified butter ghee 1 tablespoon. Cover and cook 10 minutes on low heat. Almost done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.